Sorry. First, thank you for participating in this program. I'm glad to participate in this program as admin staff, and I'm very happy to meet you all. Sometimes admin staffs are quite strict, but we love you all. Thank you for your cooperation. NYA, AYA, OPY, OPPY. I'm very happy to be in charge of the contingent. And I just spent very precious time with you. I want to keep in touch with you very long time. I wish you success and be good health in Philippines. Please come to Japan again. I want to go to Philippines to meet you again. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
You sing for them?
No.
May isa pa.
Okay. So it's my turn. It was great opportunity that I made you myself. I'm a lucky person that I'm in charge of Philippine contingent. I had great time with you. Thank you for your help. Thank you for cooperation. Thank you for your smile. Thank you for everything. Please keep in touch. I never forget about all memory with you. I have some memories from memories TPY, but I have many memories with you TPYs. I'm very happy. Okay, so keep in touch. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Tama na yan, tulog na.
Itadakimasu, Pilipinas.
Tama na yan, uwi na.
Meron ka dito. Okay na to sa'yo. Parang burol, Diyos ko.
Oo nga eh.
Nakashade sa mga tao.
Wait lang. Wait, naka-scarves pa.
Kada airline, may territory.
Kaya ka pa kuha. Haha. Uwi na kami.
Goodbye, Japan! See you.
Konnichiwa, Japan! Sayonara.
Masaya pala dito sa Japan.
Sayonara.
Ganito pala yung Japan. First time natin sa Japan. Oh
Si
no.
Budoy, adik na naman.
Sayonara.
Kalalapag lang po namin dito sa Japan. Sobrang saya po namin umiyak kami. Dahil pinauwi kami agad. Ngayon uwi na kami.
Ate, na-deport ka ba? Kaya ako umiiyak.
Report ako kasi epic fail.
Number 4 ka ha?
Number 4.
Ay, wait lang. Hindi kami ang epic fail. Sila ang epic fail.
Hindi napansin. Ano nangyari? Ano may iyakan? Bakit may iyakan?
Hindi ka ba saging?
Sige, wait lang. Iyak din ako. Wait lang, kailangan mauna ang left, tas half lang, tas ang right whole last.
na iyak, wag naka-A1 ka.
Ikaw bang magulang na namatay?
Grabe, totoo. Iyak ko na to. Ayoko ko na yung sipon ko. First time ko ito tumulong. Grabe. Jessica Alfaro.
Akala ko mo iyak. Bakit pa naisipon?
Bibitahin ka na ba?
Ate, kumusta naman? Naka-goodbye ka, no?
Oo, babalik ako ng Indonesia.
Sabay tayo.
Babalik ako doon sa April, tandaan mo. Mamahalin ko ulit siya.
Mamahalin ka ba niya, te?
Oo naman.